Okay, this is continuing our lesson 2, okay, with our unit 1 math. We're still talking about grouping and multiplication. Okay? When we group, we could use arrays, just like she has, arrays. So let's look at the example that they give us. Okay. So study the example below, then solve problems 21 through 23. Okay. It says there are 8 rows of tables in the cafeteria. Each row has 5 tables. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 rows with 5 tables in each row. Okay, Maria knows that 5 times 8 is 40. So she gave us that already. So Maria knows that 5 times 8 is 40. How can she use this figure to, how can she use this to figure out how many tables there are? Okay, it looks like she can multiply my numbers in any order. That means she can go 5 times 8, right? Or she can so multiply how? 5 times 8 or 8 times 5. And she'll still get 40. She'll still get 40. So let's look at the what they have below. Let's do this together. It says there are 2 classes, right? In each class, there are 3 rows of desks with 7 rows in each row. All right, let's do that. So here we go. So there are 2 classes, right, of 3rd graders. In each class, there are 2 rows. So how many groups am I going to use? 2, because there are 2 classes, right? So I need to have 2 arrays. So 3 rows. 1, 2, 3. How many desks in each row? 7. So I have 1 there already. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Write a multiplication equation to find the number of desks in both classes. See how to group the factors to find the product. Then write the answer. So my multiplication sentence here would be 3 times 7. It's 21. Or you're right, we can do 7 times 3 is 21. And the way I use my array to make that would be the first number tells me how many rows, right? So in this case, I'm going to write 2, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 with 3 each. That still gives me 21. That still gives me 21. So I need to add 21 plus 21, and then I get 42. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay, that's one way to do this. Find little areas around your work. We could also use multiplication of multiplying 3 digits. Okay, how many classes are there? 2 classes. And how many rows in each class?
7.
How many rows in each class? 3. So I can multiply 2 times 3. And how many desks in each class? 7. 7. I'm sorry, how many desks in each row it says? 7. So I'm going to multiply times 7. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply 2 times 3 first. So what's 2 times 3? 6. So now we can go 6 times 7. So what's 6 times 7? Well, what was 21 plus 21? 42. So 6 times 7 would be 42. That would be another way to solve this problem. Okay, now look at some problems that we need to solve. So Jackson knows 9 times 7 is 63. So that's what he knows. So I'm going to write down what he knows already. He knows that 9 times 7 equals 63. He wants to know what's blank times 9 is 63. What number goes in the blank? Well, he wants to know what blank times 9 equals 63. Well, let's see. He has 63 and 63, right? He has, let's see what color. He has 9 and 9. 9 and 9. So what should go in the blank? 7. 7. These are called factors or fact families. So the answer is 7. 7. He has 9 times 7 equals 63. And he wants to know what's blank times 9 equals 63. Well, he already has a 63 and 63, a 9 and a 9. So all that's left should be a 7. Answer is C. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Which of the following is not true? Okay. A, I have 3 times 6 times 3. No. Are these three numbers on this on the same side? Yes, I have a 6, 6 here, 6, 3 here, 3 here, and a 3 here, and a 3 here. Yeah, that would be equal then. That would be equal because I have 3 times 3 is 9, and then 9 times 6 is 54. I have 3 times 3 is also 9, and 6 times 3 is also 54. So that would be equal, right? Yeah. 9 times 3 is what? 27. But it was 3 times 3 is 9, and 9 times 6 is 54. Is B equal? No. Actually, that would be the answer because they want to know which one is not true. Okay? 9 times 6 is 54, and we already said that 3 times 3 is 9, times 6 is also 54. So C would be equal, correct? Okay? And obviously D is not equal. So my answer would be B.